Do you love food? Want to talk about your favorite food and drinks in English like a native? Stay with us and learn easy, natural sentences you can use every day. Hey, Sarah, what did you have for lunch today?
Hi, Alex. I had pasta. It's one of my favorite foods.
Oh, nice. I love pasta too.
Do you like it with red sauce or white sauce?
I prefer red sauce. It has more flavor.
I like white sauce. It's so creamy.
True. So, what's your absolute favorite food?
I think my favorite food is sushi.
Sushi. Interesting. I've never tried it.
Really? It's delicious. You should try it someday.
I will. My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza is amazing.
I can eat pizza every day and never get bored.
What toppings do you like?
Cheese, mushrooms, and corn.
That sounds tasty. I like pepperoni on pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
I like a little spice, but not too much.
I put chili sauce on almost everything.
Wow, you're brave.
Do you like Indian food?
Yes, butter chicken and naan are my favorites.
Great choice. Indian food has amazing flavors.
What other cuisines do you like?
I also like Italian and Chinese food.
Same. Pasta and noodles are always good.
Do you cook at home?
Not very often, but I can make omelets.
Omelets are great. What do you put in them?
Eggs, cheese, onions, and vegetables.
That sounds healthy and tasty.
Do you cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
What dish do you make the best?
I make really good pasta with garlic bread.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Maybe I'll cook for you someday.
I would love that.
Okay, now let's talk about drinks.
Sure. What's your favorite drink?
I really like fresh orange juice.
That's refreshing. What about you?
I love cold coffee.
Cold coffee is great. I prefer hot coffee in the morning.
I drink hot coffee when I'm tired.
Do you like tea?
Yes, especially green tea.
I like milk tea with sugar.
Do you drink soda?
Sometimes, but not too much.
Same here. It's tasty, but unhealthy.
True. Water is the best drink.
Yes, I try to drink a lot of water every day.
Good habit. Talking about food is making me hungry.
Me too. Let's order something.
Great idea. Maybe pizza and coffee.
Perfect combination. Let's go.